Hello and welcome to a new video. I hope you're doing great. If this is your first time here, the idea of this channel is simple. I search for products that can truly benefit you and make your life easier. In today's video, I've brought you some amazing products that will solve the challenges of both summer and autumn. And trust me, the final product is absolutely incredible. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button to support us, and don't forget to subscribe so we can keep bringing you more value and solutions every time. Let's start with the first product, a premium smart grill. I chose this product because grilling is something we all love, especially in the summer or on warm days. This grill is the perfect solution for those who live in places where charcoal or gas grilling isn't allowed, while still providing a fast, easy, and mess-free way to enjoy barbecue in style. Here's what makes it stand out. Elegant and compact design, perfect for villas, terraces, or balconies. Precise temperature control across a wide range. High-quality ceramic-coated cast iron cooking surfaces, giving you those professional sear marks every time. So, if you want to enjoy meat grilled to perfection the right way, the product link is in the description. Treat yourself to the ultimate barbecue experience. The second product is a luxury massage chair. I brought you this product so you no longer have to attend massage sessions outside, because this chair is capable of solving multiple problems such as muscle tension, back pain, and tired legs. As I mentioned earlier, it's a luxurious alternative to the spa, offering a top-tier massage experience right at home. Here's what makes it truly exceptional. 4D multidimensional massage technology, designed to mimic the touch of human hands. Adjustable seating positions for outstanding comfort and relief from pressure and strain. Built-in heating system and yoga stretching mode to enhance relaxation. Premium, space-saving design that looks elegant in any home. So, if you want to maintain your health, fitness, and well-being effortlessly, this massage chair is the answer. I've left the product link in the description. Invest in your comfort and enjoy. The third product is smart decorative lights, perfect for decor lovers. Even if you're not someone who usually focuses on decor, this product is guaranteed to impress at first sight. It's designed to transform outdoor spaces with elegance and a touch of luxury, making it ideal for winter, autumn, spring, and summer events. In other words, it works for every season. No need to worry about durability. These lights are waterproof and shock-resistant, IP65, built to withstand outdoor conditions. They feature customizable smart lighting that elevates the atmosphere of villas and luxury homes. Control is simple and flexible through two main apps. XMCOSY Plus app, the official brand app. Tuya/Smart Life app, for those who want seamless integration with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home. With these apps, you can easily adjust colors, lighting effects, timers, and even sync the lights with your music. Plus, they come with flexible, connectable extensions to cover large spaces effortlessly. So, if you want to take your home's aesthetics to the next level, I highly recommend this product. You'll find the purchase link in the description. Add style and brilliance to your home today. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with people you know who might be facing these same problems. Also, let me know in the comments what challenges you're struggling with so I can bring you the right solutions in future videos. And remember, my friend, no matter how many obstacles you face, I am always with you.